I have led a delegation with 23 people coming to Canada. To our head office and visiting the feedlot, visiting the farmers, also the plants, the packers, and also our center of excellence.
There's great diversity from British Columbia all the way through to Atlantic Canada. We raise cattle across this country in very ideal conditions. But the true advantage is what we commit to in the product that we deliver to you, which ultimately goes somewhere to a consumer to feed their families.
Now they're here at the Center of Excellence here in Calgary to really get a feel for the product, both from an emotional level and really connecting with our brand, as well as on a technical front. They're actually in the meat lab right now doing a cutting demo with our technical manager Abe Van Mel.
And the calf muscle should be removed because the grain direction on the culotte is running this way.
They're extremely engaged with the opportunity that they're seeing here at the center. Lots of back and forth dialogue with our butcher, with myself as the chef here. It's an opportunity to learn a little bit more about how they're merchandising beef and how we may be able to show future groups coming from Asia how to merchandise Canadian beef in a most effective way. I just learned a few minutes ago that they actually will merchandise particular fat from the brisket and from other areas in the carcass for Chinese soup production. And some fat is worth more than other pieces of fat. So interesting cultural differences and and how that can actually help shape how we approach the marketplace.
Very important is the exchange, the culinary culture, to be understand what the farmers expecting and also the producer expecting, and also what the chef from China to expecting the product. That's why today I was cook few dishes, never use any tenderloin, strip loin, ribeye, because those are very expensive cuts. We never worry to sell those products. It's very important we need to get enough value for all the secondary cuts. This is, I think, the chef's mission.
I think what we have demonstrated here this week with this Chinese delegation is the fact that our beef can really perform, but also the brand messaging, wide open spaces and fresh clean water and all the things that they've seen throughout the course of this trip, how it can be built into a story that can be told to their consumers.
End of the day, we all need to work together as the family, as the team, to build this industry. It's very useful as the chef, once we come back to our country, so we need to tell the people what do we see, what do we learn, and what do we eat.